Rahim, Assalamu alaikum. Grade 6, this is your maths lecture and we will solve exercise 1.4 here at page number 14. In this exercise we will learn how to do LCM by two methods. One is prime factor method and the second is division method. So as we solve HCF by prime factor method, similarly we will solve LCM by this. We will make factors of 8 and 18 and write them. Now what is the common factor here? It is 2. But in LCM we will also write the non-common factor. Okay, so these are 2, 2, 3 and 3. So these 4 are non-common factor. Okay, so to find LCM we will multiply the common and non-common factor and we get 72, which is the LCM. So what is the difference between HCF and LCF? In HCF we take only common factor, but in LCM we also take the non-common factor, okay, and multiply both of these. So in this way we get the LCM by prime factor method. Now question 2 is find LCM by division method. So in division method we will solve 14 and 63 side by side, okay. Do you see the difference? This is the prime factor method in which we solve each term separately. And this is division method in which we solve these terms jointly. Okay, now read 2 table. 2 7s are 14. 63 is not divisible by 2, so we will write it as it is. Now this 63 is divisible by 3, so 3 21s are 63. You can use the calculator, okay. So you will write 7 as it is because it is not divisible by 3. Now 3 7s are 21. You will keep dividing with this even if the other term is not divisible by it, okay. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So always start from the smallest and move towards the largest. So 2 3 3 7, multiply all these factors and you get the LCM. So this is the division method. Even if you get the 4 terms or 3 terms, you will solve the same method. You will start from 2 and then move towards the bigger values. Question 3 is a frog and grasshopper start jumping together and jump along the same path. Frog jump 25 cm, grasshopper jump 15 cm. So at what distance they will meet again? So we will find LCM of 25 and 15. We get the factor 355. So multiply them, we get the 75 LCM. So they will meet at 75 cm distance again. Now question 7 is find the smallest 3-digit number divisible by these values. So when we have to find something smallest, we will use it by LCM method, okay. So through LCM method we will solve these 3 terms jointly by division method. These terms are divisible by 2. Keep dividing it by 2 until it is not divisible it anymore. Now it is divisible by 3, so solve it with 3. And when it is not divisible by 3, solve it with the next term. Now multiply all these terms, you will get the answer. So 240 is the smallest number. Okay, just take this question number 5. These have 4 values. So all of these have 0 at end, at unit place. So these are divisible by 2. Use your calculator, divide 220 by 2, you get 110. Divide 240 by 2, you get 120. Divide 260 by 2, you get 130. Divide 280 by 2, you get 140. Again all these values are divisible by 2, so divide and write their values. Now again divide it by 2, then again by 2. Okay, now there is 5 at the unit place. So 5 is not divisible by 2. So we will move to the next digit, that is 3. So 3 5s are 15. And the rest of the values are not divisible by 3. So we will write it as it is. Now no value is divisible by 3. So we will use 5. Okay. So divide it with 5. 5 11s are 55. 5 1s are 5. 5 13s are 65. Okay. Now use 7. 7 1s are 7. 13 and 11 is not divisible by 7. Next we will use 11 and then 13. So move from smallest to largest, and now multiply all these terms. So these are 240, 240 is your LCM. So I hope this LCM method is clear to you. Solve all these sums on your notebooks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.